Welcome to the very first episode of KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tigzozo Media. This month, our book is Daughters of Fate, Priestess's Voice. We begin with the prologue, December 1998. The rain is coming down hard, as is the case in December, and everyone is in their homes. Well, almost everyone. A couple is moving fast like they're looking for something. They sign to each other, neither making a sound with their voices but communicating simply with their hands. I watch them wondering if they are the ones. I took a sign language course a few years back. This gives me a chance to watch their conversation temporarily as they find shelter. The man is tall, dark, and striking with hazel eyes, and the woman is of average height and very curvy. Her head is covered, so I can't see her face as she leans down to what I see as a baby. "Are you sure about this?" the man signs. "Yes, I saw it in my dreams. They said she'd be here. I wouldn't have let us travel this far for nothing. Plus, the oracle said we'd know." "I know, my love, but he's so close. We can't leave her with just anyone. It has to be her." "What did the oracle say her name was?" Join us tomorrow at 6 for more KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, and don't forget to like and follow. Thank you.